All right, class. So today let's look at our weekly goal. What we want to accomplish for this week. Remember, we are going to work on our classroom community board. So let's read our goal. We will develop our class community board, which will include information about ourselves. That is the goal that we're working on this week. So let's review. In order to include information about ourselves, we need to look at two things. We need to look at a biography and an autobiography. So let's look at these two questions. The first question is, what is a biography? We use the process of inquiry to investigate and find out information about this question. The first thing we did was we looked at ourselves. What do I think? What do I think? So we're going to use a sentence frame. I think in this case, biography is whatever you think it is. Okay? That's your first guess. Now, let's look at what is an autobiography. Again, what do you think? What do I think it is? I think an autobiography is whatever you think. That's you. Now, the second part of our inquiry process is looking at what our peers think. What our peers think. So we did a gallery walk. Of responses from our friends. To see what they think it is. We got some ideas about what they think an autobiography and a biography is. Now we're going to research. We research. Remember, when we research, we get information from internet, books. We can interview experts, interview other people. And now we write a sentence with our definition based on our research. That should be a pretty good definition, give us a pretty good idea of what the answers to these two questions are. Because we're using a source of information, where something comes from, a source, we are going to use the sentence frame according to, and that cites our source. That gives credit to our source. That gives credit to the person who gave us that information. And also, it tells our audience that this information is believable because it came from a reliable source. Okay. So with that, we went through the process of inquiry to find out what a biography is and an autobiography.